Hopefully they'll be able to come up with something pretty nice. So Grok was able to make images of really good quality, though poor continuity, and really not intelligible of like how real world physics operates. So um, high artistry, low intelligence for Grok on that one, but it's really fast and really nicely done. But let's find out how Gemini is doing because it looks like it's taken a little while. All right. Snowplow is going the wrong direction in this one. This one might be able to make more sense, except for I don't have anybody in the back shooting at them. So we're modifying it again, asking Gemini to try it one more time. So in this one, it actually does have a bed for the snowplow. It's actually, I like the snowplow design. This is pretty good. Looks like there's even some armoring and slats. So this is like pretty much a dump truck with a big old iron plow in the front. So this is really good, except for I need people in the back if it's shooting at the zombies and the truck pointing the other direction. For this one, it's a good setup, but wrong snowplow, no people in the back. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump out of that one. Hey, it's trying again. Thinking slow. Hey, this works. I'm kind of wondering where these two are shooting at, but all right, I can work with that. All right, hey, there's some context. All right, good, good. I can work with this. We're off to a good start. So for our first stab at a comic book, we're moving along nicely.